Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to execute and memorize the I shape OLLs. So let's start with the obvious one. So we have a 2 by 1 block right here and headlights facing towards the left, and 2 by 1 block right here too. So we do wide F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So for our second case, we have the I shape and one bar facing to the right. So this algorithm is also quite easy. You can learn it in your first go. So you do R U R prime U, which are the first moves of soon, and then R and U prime. Then just rotate to this side and cancel into this OLL. The first moves are already done, so rotate and cancel into this OLL by doing this R U prime R prime F prime, and that would give us our OLL solved. For a third case, when we have a line I shape and the bars on the both sides, this algorithm is quite difficult to learn. So I found a new algorithm for this case. You can use this if you are a beginner. Afterwards, you can learn the normal algorithm for this case. So we hold it from this angle and do wide R U2 R prime sledge hammer, then a U2, and then a sledgehammer but with a wide R prime move. So for our fourth case, when we have I shape and these two headlights face to the right and to the left, so it is a pretty easy case to recognize because it doesn't have a bar or 2 by 1k block. So to execute this algorithm, you must learn the reverse of RUR prime, which is U R U prime R prime RUR prime U prime U R U prime R prime. So to execute this algorithm, you do wide R U wide R prime and just do U R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime, and just repeat our first moves, that is wide R U prime wide R prime. It's pretty easy.